What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to transform this photo portrait to become the dreamy watercolor look like this. How to do this transformation? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you can use over here is the Nano Banana, and you can access it via Google AI Studio. And don't worry guys, because this is 100% for free. So you need to click this chat with models and go to this images category and click this Nano Banana until it shows you the pop-up information like it is already activated. And after that, you can start to upload the picture of yours from your device. For example, this one, and click open. And after that, you can start to put the prompt here. Basically, the prompt gonna be like this. Transform the attached photo into the dreamy, whimsical watercolor portrait in very soft pastel tones, like, for example, the light blue, pinks, and also mint, lavender, and also pale yellow and creamy whites, and also extremely gentle and loose watercolor brush stroke, translucent layer, subtle color splashes, and also the bloom in the background, for example this one, and also with the delicate floral hints. And also all people keep their exact poses, and also the facial features and hairstyle, clothing shape, and also expression from the reference photo. And also soft diffused lighting, ethereal and heartwarming atmosphere, and highly detailed faces with a tender emotion. And also clean white paper texture, no harsh line, nostalgic children's book illustration feel. And also presented as a framed artwork with a white frame and also a light beige matte board. So you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here. Basically, this is the same prompt to create the photo transformation to be like this, but you can still have the maybe a little bit differences, but maybe it's about the color or the angle. And after waiting for approximately 15 seconds, and now you have the transformation of this portrait into this dreamy and also whimsical watercolor portrait. And if you like it, then you can start to download it. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.